Girl, I'm about to have a fit. Oh, it's about to be so. Hey guys, it's Victoria Alexandra here. If you are new,
what it do, baby? Yeah.
If you are a returning subscriber,
Cousin! What's up, cousin? What's up?
Alright, so excuse me and my wig cap. I normally do not start videos off like this, but if you can tell by the title, we will be trying out some neon green hair. This video is inspired by Arnell Armon. She recently did a video recreating SZN's slime green hair look, so I wanted to try that out today on my skin tone to see how that's gonna look. So if you're interested in seeing how this comes out, just keep on watching. All right, y'all, so yeah, I finally moved, first of all, so this is not like my final setup. This is just what I'm doing right now, y'all. My setup is so janky right now, like.
Ah, the ghetto! The ghetto!
But, have you ever come moving on? The wig that I purchased is the Sensational Sheer Muse Empress Lace wig with the lace front edge. It's in the style of Sean and Neon Lime. This is the stock card. This is what it looks like. I really wanted to try the pink. I probably will later on down the line, but after I watched Arnell's video, I was like, oh, I'm gonna see what I look like with lime green hair. Yeah, these are the other colors that it comes in. I don't know if y'all can see that. Yeah, this is what she looks like. Y'all, I'm so freaking nervous. I'm so nervous. With 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and it's got these super long baby hairs that I'm not feeling, and she sheds, but that's to be expected with a synthetic unit. So okay, so right now I'm just cutting the lace off the wig. Alright, so now I'm just going to put the wig on my head. I do apologize for doing this so raggedy, but my braids were a bit bulky, so I couldn't put it on the normal way I do. That's why you can still see my edges on the side. Okay, I'm just pulling out the baby hairs that I'm gonna use. Okay, so this is the part where I feel like I messed up. I used the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee when I feel like I really should have used just my foundation or my finishing powder. Whoa, that's too much. Okay, so now I'm just gonna run the flat iron through it. When I did this, y'all, I don't know what was going on, but it was like Static City. Well, maybe, I don't know. I don't know, y'all. I don't know how I feel about this. Okay, so I'm just spraying some Got To Be down just so it can help hold the wig in place. Okay, so I'm just taking some edge booster, edge control so that I can lay the baby hair. This is the best that we could do. Alright, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a fail to me, but I'm still putting this up because I mean, It is what it is. But of course, if you made it this far, then you already know, baby girl, we're family.
Hey, auntie.
So cousin, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Also hit that bell so you can turn on your post notifications and be notified every single time I upload. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video.